Okay guys, let's unbox this AAOOCCI C6 Pro. It says that my address is here and then what? The price which is quoted here is 1003 rupees. There is also some return address. Plot number 145, village I don't know, I'm not able to read it, but I hope you are able to see it. Okay, but it is saying some sector 20 Delhi 110077 Delhi address. It is given some address here. I don't know, that is the written address which is quoted here. Okay, so let's unbox this. Oh, wow, it is AAOOCCI C6 Pro C6 series motorcycle CarPlay screen, and then it says CarPlay, Android Auto, and then AAOOCCI C6 Pro. Okay, so this is all we see here. It says 6.25 inch touchscreen, dual 1080p front and rear camera, wireless CarPlay plus Android Auto, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for phone and helmet connectivity, GPS navigation, TF card support, tire pressure monitoring, emergency recording, IP67 waterproof. Okay, so that's all it is. Let's open it. No more, the blade is not required anymore. It is slide through box. Okay, wow. Oh, drive safety and enjoy. Okay. Hey, wow. No, I was so worried. Will I get this box because it is from China, right? Definitely. I don't think. Wow, it is something. This packing is so compact. Someone said actually they have received a scratched product on YouTube, but luckily we have received fresh piece. Wow, it also says GPS and 4 screws are there. Okay, anti-slip thing is there. It is all color coded or labeled properly. Rear, and then power. What is this? Camera, and then controller, maybe remote controller, I think. Oh wow, the cable feels solid. Okay, we have received this one. I'm so worried. Will I get a good mount, like thing which has to be like aluminium mount or something? That is the latest one the people are receiving. So I wanted to know, will I receive that, or will I receive the old plastic mount? That is what I'm worried. And then I'm also worried, like, will I get a TF card or SD card to insert it here? I think here we'll have to, they have given a screwdriver, so when we remove the screws we'll be able to put this memory card. Okay, yeah, there is one screwdriver with how many screws? Yes, I have 3 screws, I think. 3 screws. And then this is for camera mount. I have 3M stickers and one Allen key. Hope you guys are able to see it. And then what is this? This is that rubber thing which will go inside the mount, go before the mount, so that the clamps or mounts won't get scratched. That is what I think. I mean, maybe for proper fit. Oh yeah, this is all the mounts which we require. It is all sealed and packed properly. Some spanner they have given. I don't know what is this. Oh, this is the rear camera they have provided. Hey, tire pressure monitoring. Okay, monitor. And then this is the mount itself. Hey, yeah, this is what I was eagerly waiting for. Yes, we have received the proper mount. Yeah, this is aluminum mount. Hopefully, actually this will have some vibration. So what happens is, people are using this Pro Spec easy tag and they are mounting it to that, but because this is giving a lot of vibration, this is going to, this screen will get mounted here, and it'll actually, that is a motorcycle, right? It'll have a lot of vibration. Because of that, this will take the vibration and it will not damage the screen. That is what I think. So I think removing this and installing it on another thing, I don't think that is proper way. See, they have given damper, vibration damper and all these things. So it will be good if we install it with this only. Hopefully, yes. Let's see what else we have. Okay, power cable. We have received a power cable. See, this has some black and red, only 2 cables, which has to be, it is all waterproof cable, yes. And then there is one more camera. I want to see both the cameras length are cable length are gonna be literally same. Okay, this is power cable. Okay, got it. And then what? Hey, this is the remote control to mount it on handlebar. So we have one phone button, video record button, and then GPS button. Wow, it feels solid, People don't like to install this. I think they are missing some good feature. That is what I feel, but I don't know. It's their wish. There are some people who don't install it. So this is the cable for installing it on this, cameras. Oh yeah, we have got a good length. Both of them have the same quality, same length. Hey, I didn't receive an SD card, I think. So this is the sunshade. It will show the screen properly. This is really useful, So it will act as a sunshade for the screen. So if we mount it here, when there is a sunlight, it won't hit the screen directly. So we'll have a small sunshade, so we'll get to see the map easily. Yes, there are 3 screws for it, which gets aligned properly. Oh yeah, good. I'm waiting for this memory card. Yeah, I received one. It is an AAOOCCI waterproof, impact resistant, cold and heat resistant, IP67 rated, waterproof, operating temperature 0 to 70 degree, storage 29 to 80 degree, can withstand up to 500 G acceleration, mechanical shock, AAOOCCI Hong Kong International Limited. So this is the SD card. I have to play around to change the AAOOCCI screen boot logo, right? We'll have to change that to some other thing, so that will look decent. Oh yeah, we got a power cable, USB power cable, yes. And then 2 more screws and 2 more nuts, and then one AAOOCCI motorcycle CarPlay screen, and then few plastic threads. So these are the things which we have received. I'll try to post a screenshot so you will know what all we have received. Okay, next is we will go ahead and install it on another video on my Himalayan 450. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Hopefully tomorrow we will go ahead and install this on my Himalayan 450. Actually, there are the weather is not really good, so we'll have to find out a way to install it ASAP. And I'm eagerly waiting for one more product to arrive. I know all of you will be interested in that product. Very much interested in that product, so please stay tuned, so you will get to know what I'm talking about. Okay guys, thank you, bye, have a good day.